In English, we are starting to write dual narratives. What is a dual narrative? It is a form of narrative that tells a story from two different perspectives. Here's a picture of two different characters. They are both partaking in the same scene, but they might have different thoughts and feelings. Would they both have the same perspective of what happened? Looking at the different emotions at the bottom, I wonder if you could link each emotion to one of the two characters. Would you link that emotion to how the iguana is feeling, or would you link that emotion to how the snakes are feeling? By looking at the picture, I think that the iguana would be feeling relaxed, maybe a little nervous, and maybe scared. I think the snakes would be feeling determined, angry, and hungry. This is a great example of how two different characters can be feeling completely different ways in the same situation. If we were to write a dual narrative about this part of the story, we would have completely different paragraphs from different perspectives for each character. In maths, we have been recapping conversions between different measurements. Here are some basic facts that you all should know when you're in Year 5 about length. 1 kilometre is equivalent to 1,000 metres. 1 metre is equivalent to 100 centimetres, and 1 centimetre is equivalent to 10 millimetres. If you know these facts, you will be able to work out more difficult conversions. When looking at weight or mass, you should also know that 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is the same as 1,000 milligrams. Knowing these facts will help you work out more complicated maths questions. And finally, when looking at the capacity of containers that have liquid in them, you should know that 1 litre is the same as 1,000 millilitres, and 1 centilitre is the same as 10 millilitres. Knowing these facts will help you work out more complicated capacity questions.